various entities like this medical billing companies, provider offices, labs, they will all have to maintain certain safeguards. So they call them as like HIPAA safeguards, and we can classify them as three types, as the administrative, physical and technical. So when I say about like administrative, like hiring a security officer, he will not allow you anybody at every time. You should have like only at a stipulated time, and having these fax machines in the proper place. So all come under administrative safeguards. Coming to physical safeguards, it is like not only all people should be given the access, only authorized people have access to these medical records. Say for instance, only coders need medical records. The billing staff does not need them unless if it is requested by the insurance company. You should have adequate physical policies in place. Not everyone can have, and you should have like screensavers as passwords and protected. Next thing would be like technical. Here, what is a technical safeguard? Like having this malwares, you are not supposed to have any type of softwares installed. You are not supposed to bring those gadgets, and having this, the servers being located in specified places, and not all people should have access to it. So they all come under this technical safeguards.